this video, we are going to learn how to solve these WASSCE math problems involving financial arithmetic. So guys, we have 8 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Alright, so let's get started with this question 1. So this question 1 says, if 112 naira exchanges for 14.95 D, I can actually recognize this currency. Calculate the value of 1 D naira. So guys, this question is very simple. Just simple logic we apply. So you begin by saying, if 112 naira exchanges for 14.95 D, okay, then how much will 1 D exchange in naira? Let's call it X. Okay, 1 D exchange in naira, do cross multiplication, so it will be 112 times 1 D, so it will give you 112 over, so when you cross multiply, this will be, let me show you, this will be 14.95 X. Alright, so when you divide both side by 14.95 to make X formula here, so this will cancel this one. So you're going to have, let's punch this on the calculator. Let's make the calculator. So when you punch this on the calculator, you're going to have 112 divide 14.95. so the output will be what? Put it in decimal. So we have it to be, press SD again. So we have it to be 7.491. So the answer is option C. They are in 2 decimal places, 7.49. So that is for this question. That I can solve this. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says a trader bought an engine for $15,000 outside Nigeria. If the exchange rate is this value, 0.075 cents to 1 naira, how much did the engine cost in naira? So this question is also very simple. The same procedure. So you ask yourself, bought an engine $15,000, but a trader bought an engine for $15,000 outside Nigeria. So you ask yourself, if 0.075 cents exchanged for 1 naira, so how much will $15,000 exchange in naira? We don't know it, so when you do cross multiplication, you're going to have $15,000 to make SQL formula, divide 0.075, but because basically you're going to have 0.075x, so we divide both sides by 0.075, so x equals this. So let's punch this in the calculator now to get the answer. So we're going to have 15,000 divided by 0.075. So we have it to be what? 200,000 naira. The right option is option C. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now. So the next question. So the next question will be this one. It says a student bought 3 notebooks and 1 pen for 35 naira. After misplacing these items, she again bought 2 notebooks and 2 pens, all of the same type, for 30 naira. What is the cost of a pen? So in this question, we don't actually know the specific cost of a notebook and a pen that resulted to 35 naira, and this time around 30 naira respectively. So let's call the cost of notebooks and pen X and Y. So you're going to apply simplicious equation to solve it. So notebook is X, then pen is Y. X plus Y equals, so sorry, the first equation will be 3x, okay, the 3x for the notebook, then Y is for this 1 pen, equals, we have 35 naira. So the second equation will be 2 notebook, 2x plus 2 pens, 2y equals 30 naira. this is 3, guys. So let's point this on the calculator now. So this we say calculator, since we want to solve simultaneous equation, press shift button 9, all instructions, press 3, press equal, press equal again. So you go to mode, equations, option 1 for simultaneous equation, 2 variables. So the coefficient of 3 ends equation 1 is 3, sorry, is 3. Then the coefficient of y is 1, constant is 135. For equation 2, we have it to be the coefficient of 2x is 2, coefficient of 2y is 2, the constant is 30. That's all going to put get x and y respectively. So when x is 10, so the cost of notebooks is 10 naira, whereas that of pen is 5 naira. So right option is option A. Okay, so that's how I can solve this question. It's as simple as this. That's why this now solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says a machine valued at 20,000 naira depreciated by 10% every year. What will be the value of the machine at the end of 2 years? So this is simple arithmetic, guys. So you know that, let's begin in the first year. 10% of 20,000 will give you 2,000. So let's check it. That's 10 over 100 times 20,000 over 1. So 200 times 10 will give you 2,000. Okay, naira. So the value of depreciation by 10% 1 year will be 20,000 minus 2,000. So we're going to have it to be 18,000 naira. So for the second year, depreciation by 10% will be, now you find 10% of 18,000. So you're going to have 1,800 basically. So 1,800 times 10, you're going to have 1,800. So the result now in 2 years will be 18,000 minus 1,800. So you're going to have the output to be 16,200 naira. Okay, so that will be the answer. This will give you the value of the machine at the end of 2 years by 10% depreciation. But the right option is option B. Okay, so that's for this question. Let's wipe this now. So the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. Guys, before you solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button now for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says the figure is a pie chart which represents the expenditure of a family in a year. If the total income of the family was this value and don't actually know this currency, how much was spent on food? So what we have here is 1,080 million. Okay, so to begin to solve this, first let's get the degree allocated to food. So we have here to 70 degrees. Education here is 90, 190 degrees. So with 90 degrees, then here we have, I think this is, I think I'm saying clothing here. Clothing is 80 degrees. So to get the degree allocated to food, it will be, let's call it x, to be x plus 70 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 90 degrees equals, say the total degree is 360 degrees. So this will give you x plus, when you add everything, you're going to have 240 degrees equals 360 degrees. So if you make x a formula, this will cause over to negative 360 degrees minus 240 degrees. So you're going to have output to be 120 degrees. So at this juncture, to now get how much spent on food to be 120 degrees over 360 degrees times the amount we have here, 1 billion and 80 million. Let's punch this on the calculator. So this will give us, let's wipe this, press mode, press 1. So we have 120 over 360. Okay, times we have 1,080,000,000. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to have. Let's press equal to. So we have it to be what? 360 million, right? Answer is option C. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says a messenger was paid 2.5 naira an hour during the normal working hours and 4 naira an hour during overtime. If he receives 31 naira for 10 hours work, how many hours are for overtime? So we don't know the hours for overtime and normal working hours that resulted to these 10 hours. So let's call them x and y respectively. So they are known. We have x plus y equals 10 hours. Then second equation will be 2.5x plus, we have, this is 4 naira guys, plus 4y equals 31 naira. So let's open a calculator and solve this simultaneously to get our results. So this is a calculator. You go to simultaneous equation, option 5, then 1. For equation 1, we have the coefficient to be 1, 1, and the constant is 10. Then for equation 2, we have the coefficient to be 2.5, we have 4, and the constant is 31. So that's it. Press equal to now to get the x and y. So when x is 6, so the normal working hour is represented by x over time is represented by y. So normal working hour that gives this 10 hours is 6 hours. Well, what we want is the value of y. Then y will be 4. So the overtime hours that resulted to 10 hours is 4. So the right option is option A. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now and solve the next repeated question. The next question will be this one. It says, donation during the launching of a church project we are sent in sealed envelopes. The table shows the distribution of the amount of money in the envelopes. How much was the total donation? So this is simple guys. Let's use a calculator and solve this. So to wipe this, press mode, press 1. So this will be to get how much was the total donation. So it will be each of this amount times the number of envelopes. So let's begin with 5,000 naira. The 5,000 times 4, then add it, plus we have 2,000 times 7, then we have plus 1,000 naira times 20, okay, then plus 700 naira times 9, then plus 500 times 4 will give you 2,000. So let's just write 2,000, okay, then plus, well, 100 times 5 will give you 500, then plus 50 times 2 will give you 150, then plus, we have 2 times 1 will give you 2, plus 10 times 2 will give you 20. That's all. Let's press equal to see the output. We have it to be 62,972 naira. So the right option will be option A, 62,972 naira. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's look at the last question before I end this video, which is this one. It says 500 tickets were sold for a concert. Tickets for adults and children were sold at 4.5 naira, $4.5 and $3 respectively. If the total receipts for the concert was $1,987.50, how many tickets adults were sold? So we don't actually know the number of tickets for adults and children respectively that resulted to this value we have here, $1,997.50. Okay, so but we are told that tickets for adults and children were sold for this and this respectively. For not know the number of tickets that resulted this figure we have here. So let's call them x and y. So it will be x plus y. X stands for adult, y stands for children. That number of tickets, we don't know their actual value. Okay, so it equals these 500 tickets we have. This for equation 1. So equation 2 will be 4.5x. Remember, x for adults, then plus 3y equals $1,987.50. So let's make a calculator and solve this now. Very easy. So you go to simultaneous equation, press mode, option 5, press 1. So equation 1, the coefficient we have 1 and 500. Then equation 2 we have 4.5 coefficient, and we have 3. The constant is $1,987.50. So that's it. Press equal to. Now press equal to now to get x and y. So when x is the number of tickets for adults. The answer is 325 tickets. Option B is the right answer to this question. Then the number of tickets for children is 175 tickets. So what we are looking for is for adults, which is this option B. So this basically can do problems involving financial arithmetic for your WASSCE Maths. We practice with 8 repeated questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Don't forget to ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to extend your external exam like a WASSCE and another external exams you'll be writing. Very important, guys. So I don't know that. Don't forget to receive once you're on press shift for tonight phone instructions, press 3, press support, and press support again. So that's it now. Click on the next screen upload, and we'll see you in the next video.